The crankshaft shown here is a semi-built type. It is assembled from separate journal pins and crank throws. A crank throw comprises of crank pin and webs. They are assembled by shrink fits. The crankshaft is connected to the connecting rod at the crank pin. The oil for lubricating the crank pin bearing is supplied from the cross head through the bores in the connecting rod. The crankshaft journals are supported by the main bearings. The main bearings are lubricated through a main lubricating oil pipe which branches off to the individual bearings. The camshaft is driven by the crankshaft through a chain drive. The chain gear wheel is fitted at the aft end. At the aftmost end, a turning wheel and a thrust collar is fitted for thrust bearing. At the foremost end of the crankshaft, a torsional vibration damper is fitted.